Okay, hello. I'm back with another fleet, and I haven't played in 6 days, so I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't played in 6 days, and my run is probably not gonna work. Like, my mouse is so weird right now. Wait, does my runner work? Because when I jump, yeah, my runner doesn't work, obviously. And I can jump. Look, I'm jumping. Josh, you should watch my video. I'm jumping right now, and I'm not taking any full like it's not making me slow down. I'm jumping. Woohoo! I am the beast. I'm just gonna jump. Like they think that's gonna stop me. Huh. Yeah. We are the champions of the world. Woohoo! My volume is so loud. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah? I don't want to play Adopt Me. Oh, by the way, I'm on call with Josh, so like, JJJ Minor. Everyone goes up to his YouTube channel. It'll be in link in the description. Did you already finish that? Thought I heard footsteps. I am jumping for some reason, and it's not letting me slow down, so that's good. My runner doesn't work, I just realized. What? Broken hammer. I'm never using this hammer ever again. Ahaha. Yeah? Yeah, just don't try door troll me. Don't try. You can't door troll me. It's impossible. I'm too good. Josh, I love how I can jump. It's like I'm hacking. I'm the beast and I'm jumping so fast. I'm like a normal survivor. I have no runner, but I'm jumping. Look, I'm pressing Q right now. It doesn't work. But I can jump. That's just like, what the hell? Like, Mr. Windy, you gotta fix this. Don't try me. Like, bruh, what do you think you're doing, boy? Oh, I want you. Oh. Bruh. I didn't even press E! Josh, I didn't even press C. What the hell is this game? I can't even use my goddamn runner. This game's trash. Don't try. This girl keeps trying to door troll me. Don't try. Only I can do those trolls, Missy. Don't try. Only I can do those trolls. My god, there's so many bots. Bruh! Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday, nincompoop. Happy birthday to me. And she rage quit. She rage quit. She rage quit. I just realized my runner doesn't work, so that's useless. You're so bad! Get out of here! You're trash! You're trash! This guy's trash. He just got his ass little pooped on. Like, get your little poop off me, little mother. What do you think you're trying to do? Like, bruh. Happy New Year in the New Land. Happy New Year with your mommy can't band dance. Wow. Josh, can you give me 1,000,000 foul appies? Josh, can you give me 100,000 foul appies? This kid's hacking. Oh my god, controller player. Controller player. This kid's hacking. Hacker. Controller player. Oh no 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 no. Not controller player. No 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 no. Oh no. Controller player. Bam 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 bam. You little You're so lucky I didn't have my runner. What the is just going this little piece of like what the hell? Ooh, they're gonna win. They're gonna win. No, 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 no. They're not winning. I got this. Watch. I got this. I'm gonna win this. Oh no, controller player. Guys, that is a controller player. See, look at him. He's a controller player. This little piece of crap. It's like I'm hacking. Like I'm actually hacking right now. Like I'm jumping as beast and I'm taking slowness. Like I don't have a runner, but I also you're so laggy. Hee. Woo. I tried. Well, that's my first time back in 6 days. Bye bye.